So my friend, this is Amit as Comet counseling has started. So here I am with the top 25 college expected cutoff for this year with CSE, CSE specialization, EC, everything I will provide you in detail. Please try to watch the video up to the last so that you will get the complete information. First of all, everyone's dream college RVC, that is RV College of Engineering. CSE you will get this year up to 750 rank, CSE specialization up to 2000 rank, because in other colleges, other counseling also the cutoff is going very up, means students are getting it easily because number of seats has been increased. A student are not increased as per that proportion and ratio. And also this year CBSE result is very bad, so many students are taking the drop option. So that's why this year you have the maximum chance. If your board score is good and you are ready to join the college, this year you have the best chance. And I am guiding for all counseling across India. That's why I am providing my number on the screen, that is for Comet counseling as well as all counseling across India. If you have any doubt, first you can clear all your possibility what you can get at your rank, then you can pay the remaining amount, that is 499 first you need to pay, then 2000 for the remaining complete counseling guidance up to admission for Comet. If you are looking for multiple counseling, for that different charges there, but initially you need to pay only 499 to talk with me and ask all your doubt. Thereafter you can decide further whether to proceed or not. So hope you get my point clearly. CSE specialization 2000, EC 2.9 thousand, lower branch means civil chemical, those can be available up to 40,000. And these are the cutoff up to the last round if you do everything carefully. Otherwise you will do the mistake, you will lose the college, you will lose your money also, and you may not get the better branch. So that's why it is important to get my guidance or any other people guidance. If you don't like me, you can join other guidance also, but they should be experienced counselor, not the new counselor, because experience matter the most in counseling process. It is not like the teaching electrostat or current electricity or thermodynamics. It is a counseling, it is a personal thing. Different student have different rank, different family background, different expectation, different type of branch requirement. So it needs a personal guidance that I will do for you once you register with my guidance. Now BMSC, that is BMS College of Engineering, 4,710, that is CSE, CSE specialization, EC, and lower you can get up to 72,000. MS Ramaiya 5,000 CSE, 8,000 CSE specialization, EC 11,000, lower 65,000. Whatever rank I am providing you, I will provide you 100% seat, even if your rank is a little bit 500 or 1,000 more than this. If it's my guarantee, as I'm doing from last 7 years, so I know what will be the cutoff for this year. You can contact me as soon as possible. And detail in CSE specialization, there are multiple brands, so I can't discuss those things because video will be so long. But once you register with my guidance, by even paying 499, I will discuss each and everything with you personally, what are possible, because AIML, data science, data analytics, cyber security, and blockchain technology, information technology, that is called ISC here. So all are coming under CSE specialization. Dayanand Sagar College 7.5, 12 and 21 and 1 lakh, that is CSE specialization, EC and lower. BIT, there is Bangalore Institute of Technology, 12,000, 20,000, 30 and 1 lakh. 1 lakh means up to last lower rank. Lower rank means lower branch. And CSE up to 20,000 specialization, and CSE 12,000 and EC 30,000. Acharya 65,000, 70, 75. KLE Hubli 19, 30, 35, 50. PMS ITM 14, 25, 43. CMR IT 25, 40, 55. CSE specialization, EC. Dr. Ambedkar 60, 79, 1 lakh. JSS 80, 45, 64, 88. NI Mysore North Campus 40, 14,000, 21,000, 25,000. EC is available only in South Campus. VNM IT 35, 49, 65,000. Now again NIT Meenakshi, Niti Meenakshi 18, 32, 40,000. RNS ID 35, 50, 60,000. SIT Tumkur 14, 24, 35,000. All college whatever available in this list, I can provide you direct admission also, and most of the college I can provide you at the same fee that you are paying through Comet counseling process. Almost similar, 1-2 lakh up and down it can be, but if you go through Comet in any of the college, you will pay 3 lakh per year, 12 lakh, and 1.5 lakh hostel fee, 18 lakh, mess and other pay will be 20 to 22 lakh expenses in all 4 years. So for that, in that budget itself, I will provide you the direct admission in SIT Tumkur, CMR IT, RNS, NIT, Niti Meenakshi, everything. You just need to pay my guidance fee 3,000. Thereafter, I will be discussing each and everything, and you will be paying directly to the college. Nothing before the admission. You will be paying everything after the final admission. You can reach the college also. Me and my team will go with you into the college, and you can reach the college authorities and ask them all the questions whatever you want, and then if you are satisfied, then you can take the admission. After taking the allotment letter, you need to make the payment. Before that, you don't need to pay anything, nothing like 10,000 or 20,000 booking amount. I will just charge my guidance fee, then I will do all the work for you after taking all the document from you. Hope you get my point. ETHM 25 36 65, RBITM 16 33, SMBIT 20 36 and 45, SDM 51 67 75, Alliance University 35 48 60, SJC 9 15 30, that is a very good college, Pace Mandya 24 38 50, KLS 45 70 80. So this was about the top 25 college. Some more college I will add in my next video, so please try to subscribe the channel and try to contact me for complete counseling guidance. Thank you.